I've been living with my partner for 2 years, and his snoring has become a huge issue. I've resorted to sleeping in weird places like the bathtub or storage unit just to get some rest. He got a CPAP machine a few months ago, but only used it for one night before deciding he didn't like it. Now the sound of his snoring fills me with rage, and I've broken down crying because of it. We've had fights about it, and his solution was to have me try sleeping with the CPAP machine to see how uncomfortable it is. I'm embarrassed to be around other people when he snores, and it's affecting our relationship. I feel like he's not trying to fix the problem, and it's making me hate him, which isn't fair to him.